Hey folks, I'm Chef Matt Basile, and I'm here to be your snack coach for the 2019 NFL season. Today's playbook, homegating, where you invite your friends and fam over to watch the big game and the food gets the standing out. Let's kick off the season by having our food go head to head. I'm making crispy fried spring rolls two different ways. One as a BLT and one as a Reuben, paired with a tasty dipping sauce. So which classic sandwich makes for a better fried spring roll? Well, good news, they both rock. So this part of the game is win-win. So let's break and start cooking. Step one, get stuffing. First up, I'm gonna make my BLT spring rolls. Start by laying the spring roll wrappers on a flat surface in the shape of a diamond. Top each wrapper with Havarti cheese, tomatoes, and crispy bacon. Next up, Reuben spring rolls. To make the Reuben spring rolls, top each wrapper with Swiss cheese, pickles, and smoked meat. Step two, wrap your rolls. Start by folding the bottom corner of the diamond up. Fold both sides of the wrapper towards the middle. Dab water along the top edge. And roll from the bottom up, pressing lightly to seal the spring roll with the wet edge. Step three, time to fry. In a heavy bottom pot, I've heated my canola oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, I'm gonna fry my spring rolls for about 5 minutes or until they're golden brown. Step four, dip, dip, dip. This dipping sauce is super simple. It's the perfect balance of flavor and heat because I'm using Frank's RedHot original sauce. To serve these deli-inspired NFL kickoff spring rolls, I like to wrap each one in crispy iceberg lettuce because let's tip. Keeping the lettuce on the outside will prevent it from wilting. It'll keep your hands from burning when you just can't wait to dive in, and it's a built-in napkin. Because who has time for napkins while homegating? Well, there you have it. Snacks are served and you're ready for some homegating. Call your friends, grab your fam, turn on the game, pull up those socks, start cooking. Be sure to watch season long. Happy homegating.